Welcome to the channel ESL Learners. This is Dr. Grammar with your dose of ESL practice. Remember to subscribe. Our goals for this lesson are to learn the to-be verbs, distinguish the be verbs with the appropriate pronouns, use the be verb in basic sentences in the present simple tense and present continuous tense. There are three variations of the verb to be in simple present tense: am, are, and is. Am, first person singular pronoun. Example, I am. Are, second person singular and plural. Example, you are and they are. Are is also for the first person plural. Example, we are. Finally, is, third person singular. He is, she is, and it is. We drop simple grammar explanations like this in every video, so subscribe if you aren't, and let us help you improve your English skills. Also, like the video and share it with someone. Notice that the to-be verb am is used to talk about the present or in the moment state of the speaker, while the verbs practice and work are used to describe a regular habit or continuous action. Here are more examples. Present time. They are in the elevator. The elevator is full. I am on the ground floor. Regular habits or action. She goes to the park on Sundays. We carpool to work. Present continuous. Actions that begin in the present may continue or progress for a while after they begin. So we use the present continuous or progressive tense. Take a look at the structure, guys. Subject plus be verb plus verb with ing. Take a look at the examples as well. He is talking to the client. The cat is eating. I am taking the train to the airport. We are going for lunch at that restaurant. You are driving too fast. Like this video if you are enjoying it so far. What are you doing now? And what do you do every day? Put your answers in the comments to chat with us. Congrats on completing this lesson. Like the video and share it with someone learning English. Time waits for no one, so think of where you want to end up and take steps to get there every day. Subscribe so you can improve your English skills with Dr.